Alright people, we greet you now. Welcome now to this our channel. If na the first time when I dey waka jam this our channel, make una follow us, make una like our page, and make una help us dey share our videos. Una know say na ogbonge updated news, breaking news, correct tori na we dey carry come for una for here. So if una never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una rush go subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so that anytime we be like say we drop updates, una go dey notified. Anyway my people, make we enter the updates and the tori wey we carry come for una like this. Make una watch.
Yes, so my people, no be small thing. Update just dey enter say presidential election tribunal to deliver judgement on Peter Obi's Atiku's petition on Wednesday in Abuja, wey be 6th of September. The long awaited judgement don enter like this. So now Sahara reporters na im give us this update like this. So say this tribunal, so they don finally fix date for judgement. So una know say rumour fit dey circulate since say na 16th of September na im be judgement, but dem come out come denounce am say dem no fix so date like that too. But right now Sahara reporters come report now say tribunal don fix 6th of September, wey be Wednesday next tomorrow for judgement. So my people, anyway, make I read the updates for una from Sahara reporters. Breaking: presidential election tribunal to deliver judgement on Peter Obi Atiku's petition on Wednesday in Abuja. The presidential election tribunal in Abuja will deliver judgement on petitions challenging the election of President Bola Tinubu on Wednesday, September 6th. In May, Sahara reporters reported that the Presidential Election Petition Tribunal merged petitions submitted by the various political parties while giving the pre-hearing report on the petition and presenting the trial scheduled. It also reserved judgment on the petition filed by the Aryan People's Movement (APM) and Atiku Abubakar of the People's Democratic Party in order to deliver the judgment on the same day as that of Peter Obi of the Labour Party. My people, this presidential election tribunal, una know say they shift Nigerians go that side, because dem know say this matter e dey very technical. No be wetin dem just fit just wake up for morning just decide o. They really need to tighten up their belt and make sure say this judgement so my people, na so we see am o. They really need to tighten up their belt and make sure say this judgement e go the way wey e suppose to be o. All eyes still remain on them o. Like this, Nigerians focus with 3D on tribunal like this o. All the judges wey dey involved for this presidential election tribunal, they dey hot seat for this matter. Anyway my people, na the updates wey we carry come for like this be this. So as e dey enter, we go dey drop am for now. Make una no forget to like and share so that e go reach those wey never see am. Una do well. See you all in the next video.
If I can lay down beside